Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome. I am waiting for TikTok to tell all of our friends that we are live. What the heck is this? Whatever. Good afternoon. I am waiting for TikTok to let all of our friends know that we are live. Let me join. Hello, good afternoon. Mandy, welcome. I'm waiting for TikTok to tell the rest of our friends that we're live so we can jump straight into limited time deals and specials. If we get people to even join, please. But good afternoon. And welcome. I'm waiting for TikTok to tell our friends that we are live. I don't know why this picture is never in the middle. It's still not in the middle. Let me put it over some more. Feel free to drop your questions and comments down below in the comment section, whether it's about plastic surgery, whether it's about limited time deals and specials. I am always down to answer all of your questions. So we could jump directly into it, okay? Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna just go ahead and dive right in, and then whenever the rest of our friends join, we'll just go ahead and circle back. So guys, my name is Ayana with Avana Plastic Surgery. And whenever you guys see my face on this screen, I have nothing but the best limited time deals and specials. So starting off with the BBL specials that we have going on right now. But actually, before we even get into that, let's talk about our locations. The Dallas location is coming very soon. So please stay tuned for more details about that. Again, the Dallas location is coming very soon. Dr. Sharara is the only surgeon at the moment at our Dallas location, and he is currently operating as well. So feel free to go ahead and check out our Instagram page where we have all of our before and after results for Dr. Sharara or any other surgeon, but he is going to be the surgeon at the Dallas location. A common question that I always see is, will the surgeons in Miami, what do you think about Dr. Kaufman of Miami Life? I'm not very sure because, baby, this is Avana Plastic Surgery, okay? I know about all of the surgeons here at Avana Plastic Surgery, okay? So please feel free. I'm not sure about that surgeon, but I do know that Avana has some amazing surgeons ready to talk to you. And maybe if you want to get a free consultation, Aonique, by leaving your name and number in the blue note box with any surgeon here at Avana Plastic Surgery. But boo, I'm not very sure. But I can say Avana has amazing surgeons. And getting a consultation might just help you, it might just help you in finding out more about them, maybe finding out if they fit your needs based on what you want, based on your results that you want, so on and so forth. But yeah. And mind you, we have over 10 surgeons at Avana Plastic Surgery spread across from now 4 locations. So my biggest thing, like I tell the girls all the time, all of the surgeons have different requirements and different things that are in place to ensure that you have the absolute best experience possible. So get a consultation, or even if you want to just leave your name and number in the blue note box, I would say fish around, because getting a consultation does not mean that you're obligated to booking with that particular surgeon. You can get a consultation one day with one doctor at the HG Hialeah Gardens location and then one at the Texas location, but it can all be done virtually, and most importantly, it is free. So again, consultations are free virtually or in person. I would say get you a consultation, okay? And maybe if you want to get a consultation with the other surgeon that you mentioned, get one with them as well. Explore your options and see what works best for you. But to get that free consultation, I need your name and number in the blue note box, okay? To the bottom left of your screen. But that leads me into the next question about the surgeons. Will the same surgeons be in Dallas as the ones that are in Miami? The answer is no, okay? Miami has, or our 3 Miami locations have their own set of surgeons. That's Dr. McDaniel, Dr. Lester, Dr. Meniscus, Dr. Schusterman, Dr. Golio, Dr. Payne, Dr. Salama, Dr. Palacio. I hope I am not leaving anybody out, But these are all of our surgeons at our 3 Miami locations. So they will be in Miami. They will continue to operate from Miami, Florida. Dr. Sharara and any other surgeon that comes along, that of course, when I find out information, you guys know immediately after. So Dr. Sharara is going to be at the Dallas location. It'll be him and another team of surgeons there to operate in Dallas and give you guys the best results. So again, different surgeons, but prices will remain the same or in the same ballpark because every surgeon has a different price list, okay? And it doesn't mean that their work is any better or worse, whatever, because that's a common question too. So to get ahead of that, just because somebody is more expensive, it doesn't necessarily mean that their work is better. It's just because they have their own set of, how do I put this? Every surgeon has their own unique strategy and their own unique way of operating, which will translate or correlate to the price, okay? Not the quality of the work. It's more so based on their strategy and what they do and how they operate and their techniques. So, but yeah, the Miami prices will be the same as Dallas prices because again, this is just Avana in Dallas. Still Avana Plastic Surgery, still under the same branch, but it's just our Dallas location, okay? So that leads me to the consultation, or circles me back to the consultation. Y'all do not forget to get a free consultation, virtually or in person, as long as your first name, last name, and number is in the blue note box to the bottom left of your screen. And the blue note box can get you way more than a consultation. It can get you a BMI list sent to your phone, a price list sent to your phone, whatever list sent to your phone, okay? And you can talk to either a coordinator or a surgeon, depending on who you want to talk to. Whether it's a surgeon, which I'm going to say talk to your surgeon because y'all, why not? If it's free, why not? Okay, so get you a free consultation with them. And yeah, you can ask questions. In the last live, the girlies were asking me like, what should they ask in the consultation? Make a long story short, y'all, your consultation is pretty much anything that may be on your mind that you may want to ask prior to booking. You can ask that freely in the consultation. There is no restrictions. You can talk to them, pick their brains, ask them questions. Maybe you've been researching a few things. You can ask them those questions as well and hear it directly from them instead of Google, because Google gives more of a broad overall type of response, as opposed to when you ask a specific surgeon, they can answer directly based on their technique and based on their recommendations, standards, all that good stuff. Okay, so yeah, I would say get y'all that consultation, and it's free virtually or in person. Now, with the in-person consultation, you most definitely can book to come in person to talk to the surgeon. But I would say, okay, you can either book an appointment to talk to the surgeon or you can have a walk-in. Walk-ins are anytime from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. at all locations. It's up to you. If you're anything like me, you like structure, you like a time, you like to be scheduled, I would say book the consultation, because when you do a walk-in consultation, it sounds like exactly what it is. You walk in and you have to wait till the surgeon is ready to see you. As opposed to an appointment, is more of a set time that'll give you an exact time frame of when you can see your surgeon. So again, feel free to leave your name and number to get that, or you can just go ahead and do the walk-in. Either way it goes, just talk to your surgeon, okay? But y'all, that pretty much wraps up this live. If you have any more questions and comments, please feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. Oh no, I'm lying. We got to talk about prices. After I talk about prices, that will end this live. So please feel free to drop your questions down below in the comment section. Down below in the comment section, okay? Let me see if I could get the prices up. Now, as for the prices, y'all, when I say these prices, it's like the same thing over and over. So let's go over it like this with the BBL procedure. A BBL stands for a Brazilian butt lift, okay? That is a fat transfer surgery. So it's your natural fat from your stomach, your sides, and your back and your butt. So when you book a BBL, yes, you automatically are booking Lipo 360. It is not vice versa. So let's not get that confused, okay? When you book Lipo 360, it's just simply booking suctioning out the fat from your stomach, your sides, and your back, okay? So starting off Lipo 360 plus a BBL with Dr. Palacio, girl, you look like me. That price is $3,250. Lipo 360 plus a BBL with Dr. Golio is $3,550. The Lipo 360 plus the BBL with Dr. McDaniel, $4,750. With Dr. Luster, it is $5,250. With Dr. Mamaniscus, it is $4,250. And with Dr. Salama, $3,950. With Dr. Schusterman, $3,250. With Dr. Hassan, $5,150. And with Dr. Payne, it is $4,250. So again, this is the price for the Lipo 360 procedure. So it's Lipo 360 plus a BBL with the surgeons. That is the price for it. Do not forget to leave your name and number in the blue note box. Oh, that's for the Miami surgeons. For Dr. Sharara, that price is $3,950. So again, do not forget to leave your name and number in the blue note box if you like these prices, if you want to secure these prices. And yes, you can secure your prices for now and have this price set for any time that you're ready to have surgery, okay? That can be 3 months from now, 6 months from now, even a year from now. Anytime that you're ready to have surgery, that price will be set for you once you leave your name and number in the blue note box, okay? But now that officially wraps up this live, my beautiful people. I hope that you guys have an amazing, amazing rest of your day. Please do not forget to follow us on Instagram. That page is Avana Plastic Surgery on IG. So again, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. It's Avana Plastic Surgery. Also, do not forget to follow us on this TikTok page as well, because I go live every single day, multiple times a day, to answer questions and comments about all things surgery, specials, whatever the case, okay? So don't forget to follow. And yeah, y'all, any more questions? I'm gonna finish up my face and I'm gonna end it. So if you guys have any more questions and comments, please feel free to drop it in the comment section, okay? I can't believe I just did that. Press that down like that. That seems like that is all of the questions that we have. So my beautiful people, wait, let me go ahead and wrap this makeup process up. Then I'm gonna end the live, okay? Let me think of any more questions that the girlies always ask. We talked about Lipo 360s and BBLs and limited time specials and prices in our Dallas location. And we talked about so much more. So I'm not very sure what more do the girlies want to talk about. I'm trying to, the match deposit, y'all. The match deposit. So if you put down a deposit of $250, we will match your deposit of $250, leaving you with $500 going towards your surgery. That is the match deposit special that's going on right now. So you can receive $250 on your procedure when you put down a deposit of $250. And yes, it's real. Yes, it's from Avana's money. So $250 on the house, okay? So again, y'all, feel free to have your name and number in the blue note box at the bottom left of your screen. Follow us for more deals and specials, because as new deals and specials drop, I always get on live and talk about them and explain them, all that good stuff, okay? So have an amazing rest of your day, my beautiful people. I will see you guys later today sometime, okay? Have a great